Hey, so I haven't made a proper dumpster meal in a while because I've been in Yosemite National Park for like a week and a half, and they don't really have dumpsters here to like get food or groceries or anything out of. So I've mostly been eating like scraps off of people's plates in the food court, which has been really good actually. But yesterday I found a potato under my seat in my van that rolled under there, and it's still good. It's not like sprouting anything yet. So I also have one carrot that's now soft that I got before I came into the park. Um, so this will be my dumpster meal today because I got both of these out of the dumpster. Um, and I'll just peel the carrot and wash these off and fry them in some oil and smother them in this horseradish that I used for an episode a while back as well. So, yeah. Okay, got everything cut up and washed, and potatoes are frying, so I'll add the carrots in. I don't really like cooked carrots, so I've never like fried them, but here we go. Okay, finished cooking up the carrots and potatoes. Now time for the finishing touch, horseradish. Let's see how this goes together. Carrots and potatoes just seemed kind of bland, and I don't really even like cooked carrots anyways, so yeah, I had the horseradish, so figured I'd use it. So here we go. A good bite of everything. It's weird. I probably wouldn't eat this under any other circumstances. Yeah, it's food. I can eat it, so that's about all I have to say about it. Bye. Turns out fried potatoes and carrots aren't a very filling meal, so I'm also eating this pickle as part of the meal that I also got from the dumpster.